Hello, friends. Welcome to the Alphabet Adventure. Today we're going to meet some amazing letters from A to J. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi there. I'm letter A. I'm the first letter of the alphabet. Look at my pointy top and my two straight legs. Can you say A? Great job. Now let's see what letter A can do. Wow. Letter A is awesome. Let's meet the next letter. Hi, everyone. I'm letter B. I have two round bellies. Can you say B? Fantastic. Watch this. Look at those balloons. Letter B is so much fun. Who's next? Hello, I'm letter C. I'm curved like a big smile. Can you say C? Awesome. Let's see what letter C can do. Yum, letter C loves cookies. Let's keep going. Hi, friends. I'm letter D. I have a big round belly and a straight back. Can you say D? Wonderful. Check this out. Listen to that beat. Letter D is so cool. Who's up next? Hello, I'm letter E. I have three lines across my body. Can you say E? Excellent. Let's see what letter E can do. Aw, how cute. Letter E is egg-citing. Let's meet the next letter. Hi there. I'm letter F. I have a straight line and two little arms. Can you say F? Fantastic. Watch this. Look at that feather fly. Letter F is fabulous. Who's next? Hello. I'm letter G. I have a big curve and a little tail. Can you say G? Great job. Let's see what letter G can do. Surprise! Letter G loves giving gifts. Let's keep going. Hi, everyone. I'm letter H. I have two tall lines and a little bridge in the middle. Can you say H? Hey, check this out. A heart from letter H. How sweet. Who's next? Hello, I'm letter I. I'm tall and straight with a little dot on top. Can you say I? Incredible. Let's see what letter I can do. Yummy. Letter I is so cool. Let's meet the last letter. Hi, friends. I'm letter J. I have a curve and a little hook at the bottom. Can you say J? Good. Watch this. Look at that jelly bean bounce. Letter J is so much fun. Wow. We've met letters A to J today. You did an amazing job learning about them. Let's say goodbye to our new friends. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.